Hello and welcome to AliTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a document, file, or photo into your email through Outlook Mail. So first, what you want to do is start your new message up here in the corner. Once you do that, you're going to fill out all the information, who it's going to, the subject, and the context of your email and what your message is to them. Once you have that completed and you want to send a picture or a file that's saved on your computer, all you have to do is click up here. You can click the attach up here with the paperclip, or you can click down here with this paperclip. Both of them do the same, just two different areas to click it. We're just going to click down here. So I'm just going to click this paperclip. That'll pop this up. You can browse the computer, browse the cloud, or you can choose if your document you are trying to attach is in your recents right here that pops up. You can click that as well. That's an easier way, but otherwise you just want to browse your computer. So you're just going to click browse. It'll pop up your PC files. You want to find your document that you're trying to attach. You're going to click open. Once you do that, the file will upload. Once it's uploaded to your email, then all you have to do is click send and you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos for tips on Outlook Mail and other applications.